Hello and welcome to the Golden Capsule. This is the first part of 8 short videos of which we'll go over of how to make YouTube work for you and how to make money on YouTube. Before we start, please make sure to like and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure you won't miss anything anytime a new video is coming up. Not to mention it will help me and the channel grow, and I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Let's begin. Earn ad revenue as a YouTube affiliate. As a YouTuber, advertising revenue is most likely the first monetization strategy you will benefit from. Join the YouTube affiliate program and get access to multiple monetization features through the platform's Google AdSense. You must be 18 or older to earn money from ads. Also, make sure you create content that is suitable for advertising. How to earn money on YouTube with Google AdSense. Start creating your YouTube channel. At least 1,000 YouTube subscribers with 4,000 hours watched in the last 12 months. Sign in to your YouTube account and enable monetization. You must agree to the YouTube Partner Program Terms of Service. Set up a Google AdSense account to receive payments. You can connect your existing account to your YouTube channel. Select your monetization settings. Check your YouTube analytics to see your estimated monthly earnings. As a YouTube partner, your channel must comply with YouTube's copyright laws, YouTube Partner Program policies, and YouTube community guidelines. Why you shouldn't rely solely on ads to monetize YouTube. YouTube advertising is the best way to earn passive income on YouTube. However, don't rely on advertising revenue as your sole source of income for YouTube. YouTube has standards and will not pay content creators for videos that are not considered ad-friendly content. Video creators are free to file legal disputes if they believe YouTube's decision not to monetize their videos was wrong. However, this can be nerve-wracking when AdSense earnings are the only way to make money on YouTube. Signing up for YouTube Premium is one of the best ways to make easy money on YouTube. With 45% of YouTube's ad revenue coming from Google, it's a great option to explore other revenue streams. Congratulations, you have reached the end of the video. Keep in mind it was the first one out of 8 informative videos to give you a better picture of how to make money on YouTube. Make sure you continue to watch the second video in which we will try to better understand how to become a brand influencer, which is another step towards your goal of making money on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed our time together and see you in the next video.